The second tank, I hit that divot again and it flew like 5 times as high in the air and flipped like crazy. I don't know what the hell it is down there by the grass. The nitro's cool, you could run in the tall grass, it don't matter. I'm running at 220 degrees right now. I can't go past here, there's a dip, I just hit it. Whoa. Running in this tall grass to clean the tires off. It's running a little bit too rich, but better safe than sorry. Gotta stop because right there there's a big dip. It launched this thing like 20-30 foot cartwheels. It's fun, I like it. Tire balloon. My gas should be gone by now. I think my gas is gone. Long run times with this nitro buggy. Oh, Nelly! Ah! Walk of shame! I'm running low! Yep, there she is, guys. The second run, and that's it. And I'll put her away clean her up, see if I could get a new wing. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Shen RC out.